Somewhere, a student is dreaming about Google. Ours are already working in one. Intel Lab. IBM Lab. Cisco Lab. Oracle Lab. Pearson Lab. NASCOM Lab. Google Lab. Drone Lab. DGCA approved drone center. AI and Robotics Lab. Over the sequence, 1 line per breath. 27 next-generation cutting-edge laboratories, 12 foremost labs, the magnificent 7. And more being built as you watch this. These are not our curriculum labs. Those are 90 more. The industry labs sit on top. There is a question people ask at this point. What does access like this cost? Nothing. Because this was never an upgrade. It's the education. The future isn't the end goal. It's a room you walk into. Echelon 27 plus next generation industry labs, 90 plus curriculum labs.